What's going on, good people? My name is Ty from xking.com. Hit you with another video, and today's topic is how much does it cost to run an internet business or do anything online. You know, how much do I have to spend? How much do I have to invest? Can I do it for free? Well, the first question is, can you do it for free? Which you could do it for free. You can start a YouTube channel that's totally free to sign up. It's free to post videos. And you post enough videos, get enough traffic to the video, get enough views. Once you get I think 1,000 subscribers and you get 4,000 watch hours in a year, you can apply to be a YouTube partner, and they'll run ads on your videos. So I became a partner about 3 months ago, and I made okay money, probably like $180 in 3 months, which is not no money, but still I'm getting something, you know. So it's okay. But you know, I started a channel for free. I didn't spend no money on the channel. I didn't put out no money in the channel. I didn't buy those special equipment. I didn't buy. Only thing I pretty much bought was some editing software that was $60. But other than that, that's it. I got my investment back plus more. If I made $180 and I spent $60 on the editing software, I got my money back plus more. So you don't have to get editing software. I use it, and it's free editing software you use on your laptop. So you can start for free. Now, if you go with the really cheap route, you know, you start your a website. You know, it could be a store, a blog, an e-commerce store. You start your brand new brand online, and that also is pretty good as well. You know, I use Bluehost. And if you want to use Bluehost, probably one of the best companies to use. I use Bluehost. You use HostGator, any the host company you want, but I use Bluehost. And I just went to the Bluehost page. I went to the Bluehost page. How much it costs for a single plan? It's $2.95, $3 a month for one website to be hosted. So you know, I wouldn't go for that. I would go for the medium plan. You get unlimited sites. And for Bluehost, it's $5.95 a month, so $6 a month. You pay this premium, $6 a month, which is cheap. It's probably the cheapest bill you have in your arsenal compared to your car note, car insurance, cell phone, food, whatever. It's cheap. So it's like $5.95 a month. But with Bluehost, I don't know other companies, but Bluehost, you gotta pay all that front. You do a 1 year, you do a 2 year or 3 year. The more years you do, the cheaper it'll be. So you might pay, you know, maybe $150, $160 up front, but it's gonna last you 3 years. And you break it down per month, you're paying $6 a month. So I'm not sure Bluehost does by month, but HostGator, they charge you by the month. By the Bluehost, it's by the month, but they charge all up front. So you have actually $200. To do it, you can. So you pay all that front, and you're done. That's probably the cheapest way to go besides YouTube. Now you get into that paid traffic and buy advertisements. You know, you're gonna start spending money on buying traffic to your offer, or buying traffic to a blog post, or buying traffic in general, and promotion to your blog or website or whatever. That costs money. So I'm talking about the cheapest way of doing it. Honestly, you need email service, you need email marketing software, you need landing page builders, you need funnel builders as well. So you use ClickFunnels to build you landing pages and build you a funnel to send emails out. You use Aweber. I use Aweber to send an email and collect the list. So really, if somebody brand new asks me, you know, how much the cost to start it, I would say they're gonna spend, you know, money on the blog, which is cheap. Probably like $500, and then this includes the blog, a premium theme of $60. Now, do you need one from the get-go? No, but let's say you spend $200 on hosting for 3 years. That's 3 years. Okay, for 3 years you're good. You buy a premium theme for $60, that's $260. Aweber is $20 a month. Lead Pages is $32 a month, so it's about $70 a month. $70 a month for those two softwares and the blog. And let's say you hire some writers for your blog. Let's say they charge $40 for an article. Well, $500, you have that. You have enough for your hosting, enough for your premium theme, be $260. Let's say you spend, $60 a month. Let's say 3 months. $120 for 3 months, and you get a couple articles written, and you buy a little traffic. You do it for $500. You start a business of $500. Really, you start with nothing. So you don't need Aweber right now. You wait till you start getting more traffic. So you start a channel for free. You can start a channel under $500, and you can start making. More money you have, the more stuff you can get. You get click funnels and buying traffic and stuff like that. So that's the real cost. It's very inexpensive. The most pricey point. The most stuff to cost most money in online stuff is advertisements. You can spend more on advertisements and softwares. Buying the right software. You don't need a keyword tool to find keywords. You're gonna pay $8 a month for that. You need hosting. You need email service. You need a landing page service. Some tracking service as well to track where your clicks coming from. That sort of thing. You don't need software to give you keywords. You use Google to tell you what are people looking for. We use YouTube. So if you start a business for free, you can start for $500 or cheaper than that. You say you don't get the premium theme. Let's say you don't hire writers. I mean, you get the hosting, and that's it. Start writing content. So you can do that all as well. So it could be free to $100, $200 to $500 or to $1,000. Depends on what you want to get. Do I suggest a premium theme? Yes. Do you need it for the bat? No, because you're not getting traffic. No way. You're not getting traffic to that blog for the next 2-3 months. So you can save that money until you actually start getting traffic. Get a premium theme. I suggest do a premium theme from the get-go, because a premium theme, you have to learn how to use it. You're gonna have to go through it, see what it can and can't do, what can you change, because it's different. It'll take time to learn that. So start off from the beginning doing that. Might work a little bit best, but not required. But you don't have to get it, but I say go ahead and get it. So that's the real cost. I mean, again, you can do paid traffic, you do YouTube traffic, Pinterest traffic, which I'm going to look into myself, because Pinterest traffic seems to be a good idea right by now, but that doesn't me. So yeah, that's it for the video. The real cost of the internet business, free. You just post videos on YouTube every day, right in your car, at work, post a YouTube video every day, and you could be an affiliate for ClickBank, and that's free, or Amazon, that's free, and you can post links on your video, make money that way, or you put ads on YouTube, make money that way. So you start for free. You do YouTube video for free, or spend a teeny bit of money, get a blog, and once you buy a domain name, that's like $10. But Bluehost right now has a plan where if you get a new account on Bluehost right now, they'll get a free domain. So that $12 be free. So you pay the $6 a month plus a free domain. Because domains run about from $10 to $15 a year. Cheap, $15 a year. That's it. So yeah. So once you buy a domain, you just renew it every year. So you buy it July 4th this year, you gotta renew it July 4th next year. It's like $15 to renew it. So you pay $50 a year, which is nothing, because that's nothing. And you could have it auto renew itself, so you don't have to worry about it. Same with your hosting plan, you can auto renew it. And Bluehost does a really good job reminding you, 3 months out, 4 to 5 days out, hey, your account will expire within 4 to 5 days, 30 days, 15 days, 10 days. They'll remind you your account will expire, you don't renew and pay. So it's cheap, and that business is cheap. So thanks for watching my YouTube video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and like and share my video, and I'll see you next time.